welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a how-to video on how I apply my false lashes. Now this is how I personally apply them. Everybody has their own way, but all of my makeup is already completed. I've already applied my mascara on. I will say when it comes to false lashes for me, in order to keep my eyelashes intact and not falling out or getting pulled out, it's easier if I apply the mascara first and then apply the lashes, because then the mascara doesn't stick to the lashes. So when you go to take them off at the end of the day, they're not molded together like they would before. And I've done it both ways, but I would say if you apply the mascara afterwards, it looks a bit more natural for me. And if you apply the mascara beforehand, it still looks really good, but you're not going to deal with maybe the fallout of, maybe accidentally pulling out lashes when you are taking your lashes off. So that is just my 2 cents on that. So we will go ahead and jump right into the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share. Bye guys. So I'm using a mirror, my eyelash glue, which is Duo in the color black, and I am using my tweezers, and I'm using Kiss 11 lashes. And I'm just applying a very thin line of eyelash glue to the lashes right here, and then I'm just going to blow on them and let them dry for about 10 to 15 seconds. And I'm going to apply that middle try to drop it right down the middle. Your eyelid, or waterline, eyeline, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just pulling the sides. I usually start from the outer corner and work my way in, and I'm just pushing that right into the spot that I want. I'm looking down into my mirror. Usually I have better luck if I'm looking like down, if I have my mirror down lower and I can see right up into the line. And I'm just pushing with my tweezers, pushing the lashes closer to my actual lash line. That's what it's called, the lash line. And I'm just kind of pinching that together. Not really pinching, that sounds terrible and painful, but I'm just kind of pushing those together so that it looks natural, even though we all know that fake lashes are not natural, but you don't want to look like you've got, 2 lines of lashes on. That's not cute. So I'm just pushing them together. And that is how that one lash looks. And I'm going to go and do it a second time so that you guys can get the full effect and just really understand. And then, like I said, I'm applying a thin line of lash glue on this lash. And I'm going to blow on it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then I'm going to apply that right down the middle of where my lash line is. My recommendation is if you guys are just barely starting out with using lashes, using a lash glue that dries clear is probably in your better interest, because black lash glue can get messy if you're not comfortable using it. So I'm just, like I said, I started from the outer corner, pushing that down and working my way into the inner corner. This inner corner actually was giving me a little bit of trouble, but just sometimes messing with it, getting it tacky and getting it to stay is all it really needs. And then I go through and I just kind of close in the gap and make sure that they are tightly pushed together so that it looks like it's natural. And I'm just working on that, making sure it looks good. Like I said, honestly, when it comes to doing your own lashes, you're going to mess with them the way that it works for you. So I usually mess with mine for a couple of minutes, just making sure it's exactly how I want them. And that is the finished look. I hope that made sense and that you guys learned something. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box below, and I will hopefully be able to get back to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned something from how to apply your lashes. I know that for some people it just takes practice. The first time it may not be super easy, but you just got to keep practicing and you'll find what works best for you. But this is how I apply my fake lashes, so I hope that was informative. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!